Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Shein points for shopping. The first thing I want you to do once in the Shein app, from there you can select the item that you would like to purchase, or you can tap on your cart icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can tap on checkout in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and after selecting your payment method, you'll scroll down a bit further. Then you're going to see the option points. You can tap on points right here. At the moment, I have 6 points available, so I can either input the amount of points that I would like to use, or I could select all and use all of the points that are available. Then you're going to tap on apply. After you have tapped on apply, you'll realize that the total in the bottom left hand corner has now changed, as with each point counts as a cent, so you can see it cuts down. And by the way, if you would like to know how to earn more points, all you'll need to do is go back onto the home page, or you can tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then from there you could select points from the top navigation bar. After you have selected points, one of the options that you have is by checking in. So you can tap on check in, and you can check in daily, and by doing that you'll be able to increase the amount of points you get. You can also earn points by tapping on any one of these earn points option. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.